Hello guys, come and see the grand style BDM storms National Assembly. See entrance now, see levels. He came with his own specialist. Guys, this is an invitation to National Assembly to give an explanation on the recording he exposed about Bobrisky. Guys, you cannot miss this. Watch out.
A friend of mine who is very popular contacted me and he said, "VDM, see what's going on." And I said, "Okay, no problem. If you have received, send it." Then when he sent it, now I'll say something here. When he sent it, immediately I made a video, I first video, and I said, "Bobrisky, I'm giving you 4 hours to pay back." Then he started begging the guy. Now what I'm about to say now, my lawyer is not going to. Now, he started begging the guy, then he paid. Immediately, he paid. But when I listened to the audio, I said, nah, even though you pay, this has to go there out there, man. Because EFCC cannot go around harassing some boys, young boys, and somebody with a godfather will be pulling stones. I was detained in the prison. My very good friend, Sean Kuti, was detained as well. A lot of boys are inside the prison. Bobrisky is not any way better than them. So I didn't see any reason why I should keep the audio. I kept the receipt of his payment, which he paid that day. He paid that day. So immediately I got it, I just smiled. So he was actually guilty. But here's the thing, Bobrisky didn't know that this guy recorded everything. But because Bobrisky, obviously I have the platform there, he understands how I roll. So he quickly paid. I said, no, it has to go there. Now, I need to verify something about Femi Falana and Falana Chambers. Because apparently right now, some people are taking advantage of what is going on to target Femi Falana. And I would like to still say here now that I apologize to him for the dent on his name. However, it's so sad that his name was inside that audio. I do not believe it as well. That was why that was the part that even irritated me more, which I said I refuse to believe that it will be part and party to something like that that would make people take somebody out of prison and to get a pardon. So yeah, I have the recording. I have one part. I can't give you guys the whole part because I don't know if the Godfather is here. So I'll give you one part of it.